Here inside of the home panel, we can actually see a bunch of projects that we've been working on. And if we come up here where it says see all projects, we get our little project browser. Now inside of here, each time we select one of our projects, you'll notice that the details panel will actually change. We can actually change things like the title, which is right here, our description right here, and we can even add a link which can link to a GDD, making it super helpful for our team to find information about that specific project. How do we change all this? Well, let's go ahead and close this one down, go into the actual project, and then come up here where it says project and go to the project settings. Inside of here, you can see we have our title, we have a description, and a link to a specific URL. Let's go ahead and close this one down, go back into here, go back to my projects, and you'll notice with this one now selected, we can actually click on this link. You'll notice it'll open up directly to that specific website. Now, finally, let's go ahead and talk about the thumbnail on here. To change this, simply right-click and come in here where it says Show in Explorer. Inside of here, you'll find a Resources folder. Go ahead and double-click on this one, and here we have an actual icon. Now, we want to go ahead and replace this icon, and note that it is a 256 by 256, and it is a .png file. To keep things simple, let's keep the size of the image and the name exactly the same. Then all you need to do is go into your favorite image editing software and create another file. Let's go ahead and just copy the name from this one, come back over here, go ahead and paste this name in here like so. I'll just click, drag this one in and replace this one like so. Now, if we go back into our browser, it may not update right away. So let's go ahead and close this down, open my projects once again, and you'll notice now the thumbnail has been updated.